Let's come to our next activity. Here we are going to show you how we are going to make the milk tetra pack in just few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Fill it with some of your beautiful colors. Here I am making use of the black and the cream one. Thank you. Next we are going to show you how can we create a beautiful juice bottle and see how we are inserting the cork around the bottleneck. This activity is very good and nice, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. All you just need some of the bright colors. Here we have used the red one. This looks so nice and pretty. Let's come to our next project. Here we are going to show you how we are going to make some of the french fries, but this time not out of the potato but from your pencil and some of the colors. Fill it with some bright colors like here we are using. This one will look so nice and perfectly good, best suitable for the small kids. Let's try to make another painting. Here we are going to make use of the marker. You can make use of the pencil first. After that you can just trace it down. Guess what character we are going to make? Yes, we are trying to make a Shin-chan, and this is so easy and nice. Go for this one.